On today's ProPresenter show, a very special announcement. Hi and welcome again to the ProPresenter show. This was the show where I helped you learn about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford. For some time I've been thinking of expanding the content I provide to churches to help them reach their redemptive potential. You might have noticed that lately I've talked about live streaming with the Sling Studio and 3D printing, in addition to my video and ProPresenter tutorials. You might also have noticed that I've not been consistently releasing the tutorials like I have in the past. Part of this is because my ambitions far outpace my ability to create, edit, and deliver content. To me, the solution has been pretty obvious for some time. I need help. So, I'm pleased to announce that effective today, I'm bringing in a new voice. He's an old friend who started the journey of creative ministry with me back in the early 90s. He's stuffed with all sorts of ideas. He's felt for some time that we can learn most about the future by returning to the past. I feel like we're joined at the hip. No, he's clearly more than that. He's my right-hand man. Say what you want. He's no dummy. So please, welcome with me our new Vice President of Retro Media, Mark Poppet!
Thanks, Paul. For years, Paul's been trying to expand the role of technology in the church, and while that work is certainly laudable, it's time to move in a whole new direction. They say that everything old is new again, and that's why I'm announcing a different direction for us at Trinity Digital Media. And that starts with the name. Say hello to Trinity Analog Media. And that name isn't just window dressing on the old digital framework. No. We are reimagining the whole thing from the ground up. Gone are the worship software and live streaming emphases of the past. We're replacing those with tutorials on hymnal and overhead projector use, as well as a brand new series on the cutting-edge field of church flannelography. The moving image is so 20th century, don't you think? Now you'll learn all about using felt figures to tell the stories like you've never told them before. And that's only the beginning. We're replacing 3D printing with movable type printing. And podcasting with writing letters to the editor. And much, much more.
Sorry to interrupt, but you forgot the best part of all this.
What's that?
The date.
It's April Fool's!
Tune in tomorrow and into the foreseeable future for more ProPresenter and tech tutorials from TrinityDigitalMedia.com. Until then, thanks for playing along. And remember not to take yourself too seriously, because God invented humor after all. And don't forget to still go out and change eternity.